In this lesson, we're going to talk about scientific naming and the procedure for coming up with a scientific classification. And so, first, some definitions. Species is a group of individuals capable of producing fertile offspring, and this is the most specific, unique name to every organism. And then we have genus, which is a group of similar species. And then as we work our way up, we can say like family is a group of similar genus, and order is a group of similar family, and so on and so forth, because as we go up towards the top of this list that I have here, domain is going to be the most broad grouping, and at the bottom, species is our most specific grouping. And so let's go through an example of how to name humans. And so starting at the top are three domains that we know of. Humans fall under the eukarya domain, and this is because we have nucleus and organelles in our cells. And then for kingdom, we are in the animal kingdom. And this is because we ingest food, we can't make our own food, and we're multicellular. And we have no cell wall. And then the phylum that we would be classified under would be Chordata. And this is because we have a spinal cord. And then the class is mammals. And this is because we nurse our offspring. The order would be primates, and this is because we have a high level of intelligence. And so as we go through each of these different levels, any other organisms that would be in this like same order or in the same class or in the same phylum is going to share these characteristics that are in here. So any other organism that's in Chordata has to have a spinal cord, and so on and so forth. And so family that we would be in would be Hominidae, which means that we walk upright. And the genus is Homo, meaning human. And then the species, we would say H, and then we'd say sapiens, which is the modern human. So we are Homo sapiens. And so this just kind of shows how we're able to classify organisms and help determine the evolutionary relationship between us and other organisms based on like the little descriptions that we have on the side, so we can see how closely or not closely we are related to other things. And another note would be that there can also be subclasses and subphylums and things like that to make these classifications a little bit more specific.